Hi everybody, this is Jesse. I'm actually putting a few clips together of the Subaru B1877 issue. It's with the SRS airbag system, and if you can't get it cleared, a lot of places actually say that it is the right hand side occupant sensor on the seat. Maybe for the Fords and things like that, but with the Subaru, it's actually the left hand seat. Did I say right hand? Anyway, it's right hand seat for everything out there on the internet except for Subaru. I can't attest for anything but the Subaru. The Subaru is on the left hand side. It took me a while to figure it out. The car scanners that you get from just the OBD2 sensors with the Bluetooth, they don't actually give you a very specific way of diagnosing that. So you have to get something like the Autel or anything like that. And I did happen to get one of those, and it told me that it was the seat cushion. So the seat cushion is the thing you sit on. I took it to mean the side airbag, and I went ahead and replaced the side airbag, and that was not the issue. I was a bit frustrated, and so I ran the scan again, and I looked at it, and I'm like, it says seat cushion, and it says left hand side, and so yeah, it was left hand side seat cushion. So the long story short, if you happen to see the error B1877 on the Subaru, it is the left hand side seat cushion. So you have to pull the seat out. Well, you don't have to. It just makes it a lot easier. Unbolt it, and then just unlace the top, and you can pull the sensor out and replace it. So there's an airbag. There's an ABS sensor in front of it, so you got to pull that out, and then you just unbolt the sensor, pull it out, and it takes like a total of 15 minutes max. If you have it there, it doesn't take you time at all. So just pulling out the seat actually just makes it a lot easier, because it just flips up and you're able to deal with it a lot easier. Anyway, I've got the videos. It shows what to do, and hopefully you like it. If you do, like and subscribe and share. Thank you.
I got cleared finally got all of the errors cleared except for one. And this is the reason why I'm doing this video. B1877. Everything on the internet says that B1877 is the right hand seat actuator SRS bag. It's not on, at least not on the Subaru. So I see all these Fords and stuff like that, the right hand. It's the left hand seat. And you wouldn't think that the left-hand seat would have an occupant sensor, and it doesn't, technically. But what it does have, does the same thing. It measures weight and velocity, speed, stuff like that. Anyway, something like that. And it's in the left-hand side. But I wanted to show you, it seems intimidating because it's like taking those seats apart and everything like that. The first thing I did, I kept looking at my computer, and I use a launch computer, and it kept saying airbag. Wasn't reading it correctly. So I went ahead and replaced the side airbag. That's what everybody thinks. We have side airbags, right? So right here on this side, on this seat, there's an airbag. So I went ahead and replaced it. Okay, the skins on these seats just peel up after you've unlaced everything. Pull them up, then you can replace the bags. It's not real rocket science on it. It's pretty simple. There's zippers on the back and everything like that. Let me go ahead and show you. There's zippers right here. They just zip off. There's a little plastic piece in here that connects and goes in there and everything like that. Pretty simple. So I went ahead and replaced that, and I still had the error. This thing is driving me nuts. Okay, So I went and I grabbed the computer again, put it back in, and it says seat cushion airbag sensor. And then I got to think about it. I'm like, wait a minute, it says seat cushion. Okay. The problem is there's nothing on the internet, especially for the Subaru, on this specific air, B1877. And I'm going to say it a few more times because there's nothing out there. There was one video I ran across. The guy said, oh, well, I'm going to do this video because, you know, nobody else has. Well, the problem is it wasn't for a 2015 to 2017 Subaru Legacy or Outback, either one, same seats. Also, a lot of people are sitting there, you know, flushing this thing out. The B1872 is for the right-hand side. It's the seat cushion. It's this right here. It's underneath there. Okay. If you notice, I took that plastic panel off right there on the side. You know where you adjust your seats, the rail and everything like that. This is the piece right here. And in order to take it off, it's one screw. You take the screw off right here, and then the whole thing just slides off. Very simple to do. Okay. The reason why you got to pull it off is you gotta loosen this piece. This piece is latched onto the inside, so you can just push down on the seat, and then it'll just let that up right there. This one has clips for the bars. There's a bar underneath there. These are clipped on. That's all it is. The same. So you do the same thing on the other side, and you know, Bob's your uncle. I hate that term, but whatever. That's the sensor right there. So as soon as you do that, this takes like 15 minutes. Take the seat out, it makes it a little bit easier. There's just one wiring harness, and once you pull the clips, it's just, I mean, it's super simple. Anyway, this is the piece that has to be replaced. This is B1877 for the Subaru 2015, 2017 Subaru Legacy, probably for earlier versions and probably for newer versions. This is the problem right here. Order this, replace it. I'll even, let's see if I can get the number on it real quick here. There you go. There's the number right there. Product number. There you go. Anyway, that's it right there. If you get the B1877 error, this is what it is. This is where it's at. Replace this. There's 3 screws on the bottom, like this one right here. Yeah, I guess this is kind of in the way. But these screws are actually on the top. So underneath this black piece, that's where the bolts are. Same up here. They just have it so you're not sitting on it. So replace that, plug it all back in. Your code should be clear. I don't have the bag in today. I just wanted to see and have it ready for tomorrow when the bag comes in and the sensor comes in. Didn't realize it was only going to take like 5-10 minutes to do, but I wanted to do a quick video and upload this for you guys. Put it back in. It's good. This entire fix, probably start to finish, is 30 minutes or less. So there you go. Looks to be good. We're going to go ahead and throw this thing in, and we're going to find out if this clears the light. This is the B1877 for Subaru Legacy 2015 to 2017.
Okay, so it looks like the video and audio recorded over the top of my my statements there. If you notice that there is no airbag light on, and this is after actually replacing the sensor on that seat and then reinstalling it. So there you go. I just wanted to make sure that this was reiterated. The music just kind of overshadowed the sound. So hope you have a good time. Good luck.